Hello everyone, my name is Lindsey and today I am your host of a brand new series here for Health and Wellness called Seasonal Snacks. On today's spooky edition, we're going to be making bone apple teeth peanut butter treats. For this fun, simple recipe, all you're going to need is an apple, some mini marshmallows, and peanut butter. So the first step for making this fun, simple treat is to slice your apple into even slices. So after you get your even apple slices, you're going to need a butter knife to apply your peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter or if you don't want peanuts and perhaps you prefer a different type of butter, feel free to use that, such as sunflower butter, even Nutella if you want to be real crazy and fun. So you're just going to take your mini marshmallows and you're just going to put them on one side like little teeth. And then when you've put as many as will fit, you take the other half and you flip it over and you sandwich them. And just like that, you have your bone apple teeth peanut butter treats. Some of them may look a little more rotten than others, but nonetheless, they look spooky and delicious. So if you're looking for a fun, healthy alternative treat to eat on Halloween, I would definitely recommend this recipe. It's simple, it's only 3 ingredients, and honestly, it's pretty cost effective because you can get apples and peanut butter pretty much anywhere. Happy Halloween and bone apple tea.